Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will review multiplying two binomials using the FOIL method. First example we have is 3x minus 8 times x plus 2. So first we're going to multiply the first terms in each binomial. So we have 3x times x. This is going to give us 3x squared. Next, we're going to multiply the outer terms in each binomial. So this is going to be now 3x times 2. This is going to equal a positive 6x. Now we're going to multiply the inner terms in each binomial. These are the inner terms here. We have negative 8 times x. This is going to equal negative 8x. And then we're going to multiply the last terms in each binomial. So we have negative 8 times 2. This is going to equal negative 16. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have 3x squared. I cannot combine that with any of the terms here. Next, we have 6x minus 8. This is going to give us a negative 2x. And then we have minus 16. I'm going to write minus 16 here. And this is your final answer. Let's try this example here, 3x minus 2 times x plus 5. So we have 3x times x. This is going to give us 3x squared. Then we have 3x times 5. This is going to give us a 15x. Then we're going to multiply the inner terms. So negative 2 times x. This is going to give us negative 2x. And then the last terms, negative 2 times 5, this is going to give us a negative 10. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have 3x squared, so I'm going to write 3x squared here. Then we have 15x minus 2x. This is going to give us a positive 13x. And then we have minus 10. I'm going to write minus 10 here. And this is your final answer. So let's try 2x plus 3 times 5x plus 1. First, we're going to multiply the first terms. So we have 2x times 5x. This is going to give us 10x squared. Then we're going to multiply the outer terms, 2x times 1. This is going to give us a positive 2x. Now we're going to the inner terms. So 3 times 5x is going to give us a positive 15x. And then we have the last terms, 3 times 1. This is going to give us a positive 3. Now I'm going to combine like terms. We have 10x squared plus 17x plus 3, and this is your final answer. Let's look at this example here. First, we're going to multiply 2x times 7x. This is going to give us 14x squared. Then 2x times 4, this is going to give us a positive 8x. Then we're going in here, 3 times 7x, this is going to give us a negative 21x. And then the last terms, negative 3 times 4, this is going to give us a negative 12. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have 14x squared. I'm going to write 14x squared. Then we have 8x minus 21x. This is going to give us a negative 13x. And then we have minus 12. So I'm going to write minus 12 here. And this is your final answer. X minus 3 times x plus 2. X times x, this is going to give us x squared. X times 2 is going to give us a positive 2x. Then we have negative 3 times x. This is going to give us a negative 3x. And then we have negative 3 times 2. This is going to give us a negative 6. We're going to combine like terms. We have x squared minus x because we have 2x minus 3x. This is going to give us x. And remember, you have your imaginary one right here in front of the x. And then we have negative 6. This is just going to be minus 6. And this is your final answer. So let's look at this example here. We have x times 2x. This is going to give us 2x squared. Then we have x times 1. This is going to give us a positive 1x. Then on the inside, our inner terms, we have 8 times 2x. This is going to give us a positive 16x. And then we have 8 times 1. This is going to give us a positive 8. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have 2x squared, and then we have 1x plus 16x. This is going to give us a positive 17x. And then we have a positive 8. So this is your final answer. Let's try negative 3x plus 1 times x plus 4. Negative 3x times x. This is going to give us a negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times 4. This is going to give us a negative 12x. Then we have 1 times x. This is going to give us a positive 1x. And then we have 1 times 4. This is going to give us a positive 4. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have negative 3x squared minus 11x plus 4. And this is your final answer. X minus 5 times x minus 7. So first we're going to multiply x times x. This is going to give us x squared. Then x times negative 7. This is going to give us a negative 7x. Inner terms, we have negative 5 times x. This is going to give us negative 5x. And then the last terms, negative 5 times negative 7 is going to give us a positive 35. And now we're going to combine like terms. So we have x squared minus 12x plus 35. And this is your final answer. What if you had x plus 2 squared? So we're going to do x plus 2 times x plus 2. And from here, we're going to go ahead and do the FOIL method. So x times x, this is going to give us x squared. X times 2 is going to give us a positive 2x. Our inner terms now, we have 2 times x. This is going to give us a positive 2x again. And then you have 2 times 2. This is going to give us a positive 4. So now we're going to combine like terms. We have x squared plus 4x plus 4. And this is your final answer. So let's try x minus 3 squared. So this is going to equal x minus 3 times x minus 3. So we're going to multiply x times x. This is going to give us x squared. Then x times negative 3. This is going to give us negative 3x. And on the inside, we have negative 3 times x. This is going to give us negative 3x. And then negative 3 times negative 3. This is going to give us a positive 9. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 9. And this is your final answer. So we have 2x minus 3 squared. This is going to be 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So we have 2x times 2x. This is going to equal 4x squared. Then we have 2x times negative 3. This is going to equal negative 6x. Then we have negative 3 times 2x. This is going to equal negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 3. This is going to equal a positive 9. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have 4x squared minus 6x minus 6x is going to give us a negative 12x. And then we have a positive 9, so I'm going to write a plus 9 here. And this is your final answer. All right, so that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.